Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Girl, I had this one for a while. She's finally styled. Hey, it's time to slay. Okay, I know. I've been having this one. Buku of the girlies done did this wig so many times. And yeah, I'm finally styling her. This is Bare Lace Unit Full. I've been having her for like eons, and now I finally got to her to style her. So this hairline on this one is just as flawless as the Unit 7 that I did. So yeah, I decided to do something different with this one because, girl, on that Unit 7, I didn't have any baby hair. I just let the bare lace speak for itself. So I decided to, do a cute, like, little, zigzag part. It's more like a, thunderbolt, but, we're going to roll with it. And I wanted my baby hairs back, y'all. Them baby hairs back, baby. Oh, yeah. So anyway, you see me doing a little thunderbolt, a lightning bolt rather, a zigzag part. And I don't know if I don't think I plucked any hair off of this wig. I think what you see, if I did, it was just like really, really minute, because this Bare Lace series of wigs, girl, okay, why y'all didn't tell me? I mean, I knew y'all was ranting and raving over her, but girl, had I known, I would have been buying these up like y'all was buying them up, okay? So, yeah. Anywho, so I did really big, pretty, swirled, flared out, baby hairs. I kind of been on that lately. This is like my new style of baby hairs, and I'm happy here. Like, I like it. And, I find that, what I used to do back, like other videos ago, I used to style the baby hair with my, hot comb, but I finally, found like the perfect size little mini flat iron that gives me the perfect curls to my baby hair. So, yeah, so you see me doing asymmetric baby hair style with the flares on either side, and of course, some sideburn action. When I styled it, it was just kind of looking too naked, so I went ahead and I put another baby hair swirly in the middle because it just looked empty. And so once I did that, I was like, okay, y'all gonna see, like, it was given. It gave everything. So, I just made sure with my hot comb, I pressed and bent the hair where it needed to be and stay. I don't know if y'all noticed, for any of you ladies who has a Bare Lace Unit 4, but it was kind of harder to lay the top of the wig flat, girl. It was like giving real wiggy, like. I definitely had to add some curls to her, so that seems to be like a theme, that is, going, on with the bare lace wigs, is that the stock art has like the wigs looking really, really curly, but then when you get them out and you actually like look at them, they're really not as curly as they are on the stock art. So I felt like I needed to go in. I think this is a 3/4 barrel, maybe a 1 inch, I can't remember, but I just went in and I just put a few curls. I didn't even curl it all the way up to the top of the hair. I just curled it enough, to like bend the hair and, curl it a little bit to resemble how it's supposed to look. And voila, it came out really, really cute. And I was like, girl, I can't wait to like slap this on. All right. So here I am with that bowl cap. But anyway, so yeah, girl, when I put her on, I was like, girl, oh my gosh, she looks so good. And I haven't even glued this wig or tacked this wig down with nobody glue yet. And I was like, okay, this is giving. It's really cute. So for you girls who do want a glueless wig or whatever, you probably can achieve that glueless look. But girl, in this heat, I know we at the last, little bit of summer or whatever. It's about to start, like fall, turning into fall or whatever. But I don't know who walk around here not securing the wig. If you could secure the bag, you need to secure your wig, okay? All right? So what I would say? I would say secure your bag, but secure your wig even more. All right. All right, but anyway, so I went in with my Fit Me in the 320. I'm going to explain in a close-up why I am like using the 320 now, because it's giving a lot lighter, but it's giving the lace coverage and blending that I need without that coppery tone. So I spray a little bit of Got To Be spray after I put my foundation on there, and that was just to seal in and help my foundation like seal in and melt into my lace. I put a little bit of Got To Be on these lips as well. I didn't want them to be too dramatic, but I wanted them to be dramatic enough, and I caught like a little snag when I tried to part the hair in the back. So she give you tangles when she get ready, so I definitely want to note that. So I tie her up so that lace can melt with the foundation and the Got To Be spray. So after I waited a little while, I went and did something. I came back and I took it down and I gently combed it out with my wide tooth comb. And did I spray it with my conditioner water? I don't think I did, y'all. I just took her down. I didn't put no products in her. All I did was take her down, and voila. I really enjoyed this wig, ladies. Oh my God. I can't wait to tell you what I think about her. Hey JuiceDrops, JuicyNashae here, and I'm back to show you ladies, you already know, another cute wig. And what's the name of this wig? Y'all probably done seen it so much so y'all recognize it, but I'm gonna tell you the name anyway. Her name is Bare Lace. Girl, if I could hold the stop card right. Bare Lace Unit 4. And I have her in a secret highlight golden walnut. This is one of the most popular units that's a part of the Bare Lace unit wigs. It took me a while to get to it. I've been having it. I finally styled it and we're here. So just to skim through the details, this color is really pretty, but I don't know why cream don't really do it for me. It just don't. But anywho, so this is the features, the uber pluck lace and all the goodness. She is a 13x6. Okay, she comes featured in all of these cute colors. Okay. Let's get into her 360 right here. Okay, ladies, now that we're back from the 360, my first initial impression is that it is absolutely gorgeous. This wig is so pretty. And on the unit 7, I didn't do any baby hair. I just decided to get my Eric and Nashae on. So I needed my baby hair back. Even though the hairline on this one is just as flawless as the one on unit 7, Sensational has really created a phenomenon with these units, okay? Like, they definitely changed the game and are giving you all your pre-pluck life easier to slay and achieve a flawless. I went sat in a stylist chair for hours and got this look. Girl, no, I styled it myself in less than 20 minutes and then put it on, and bam, we're here. Minus the thousands of dollars or whatever. Girl, it's giving real. It's giving like real bust down. So anyway, but I do feel like these secret highlights should be a little longer, and I kind of had that same critique of the unit 7. I felt like it should have just been a little further down the hair, because this hair is really long, girl. It's giving like 28 inches or so, but I would have preferred the secret highlights just to stretch down just a little bit, but I guess it wouldn't be so secret if it was like visible. This lace is flawless. It didn't take no time to blend. I'm gonna show y'all even further in the close-up. I decided to do like a little lazy zigzag part that, you know, it looked more like a lightning bolt, but I did notice a little bit of tangling. And like I said, you know, this is the first time for me wearing it. I only styled it, and it could have happened when I styled it and I parted in this like unique style, but I did get a snag when I tried to divide the hair to comb it out as I was waiting on my lace to dry. So she does tangle, but this texture is so pretty. It feels like a blown yaki texture. What your hair would like feel like if you got 4C blown to the gods. You know, it feels good, and it feels really like real and natural. Like it feels like some real, you know, Brazilian, Peruvian, if they still, you know, make that. It feels really good. That's my first impression. Let's get off into your favorite part of every one of my videos, and that's the close-up. Let me get in your face. Okay, ladies, now that I'm in your face, you can really appreciate just how flawless this lace is. Oh my freaking gosh. And so I don't do the ball cap method. And so I just kind of just lightly glue over my sideburns. It's not giving glued over sideburns. It's just not. This lace took so well to my foundation. Even though I used my 320 instead of my 330, and I've been using that lately, even though my go-to shade for my scalp color is 330, I've been using my 320 or whatever, because it doesn't really give that blowback like coppery cast that I seem to get a lot with the 330. So even though it gives like way brighter scalp look, I like it better than the 330. So if you ladies use 330 and you get that reddish copper blowback on your lace, girl, switch to 320 and just, you know, hope for the best. But anyway, so I decided to style it in this lazy, like, I don't know, lightning bolt kind of style part or whatever. So it came out really cute. I got really like decorative with the baby hairs or whatever. It came out so good. I'm gonna start from this side, move all the way around, and bam, close up over. Let me get out your face. All right, ladies, we are back from the close-up. I don't know why I didn't style and have this wig done sooner. Girl, I got so many wigs and stuff. It's insane. I'm just gonna take my time and churn them out whenever I can. So anyway, ladies, with that, I do recommend her. And I love it. This most definitely won't be my last Bare Lace Unit 4. So thank y'all so much for watching my tutorial and review for Bare Lace Unit 4. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also follow your girl on Instagram at JuicyNashae as well. Bye!